I'll be talking about inequalities. So this looks impossible until you see the trick, and I'll show you the trick. So if we have a problem that says, what inequality does the number line show? Start your answer with X. And we have our number line here. So let's take a closer look at it. We could see that the arrow this way shows numbers getting bigger, okay? So step one, notice the blue arrow pointing to the right. This means X can be any number greater than 75. So the arrow goes this way and continues forever. That means it could be 75 or greater. Now notice the filled in circle. This means the answer includes the number because this is filled in. So we know equals is part of the answer. If it wasn't filled in, if it was just a circle around here that's not filled in, it would not include 75. So now we are ready to write our answer. Since X is equal to or greater than any number larger than 75, then the inequality is X is greater than or equal to 75. And as I said earlier, if this was not filled in, then we wouldn't have this equal sign. It would just be X is greater than 75. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. I have links there to other videos of mine that are similar. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link to this exact video. You can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.